Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Tip for Tuesday. So today I got a really good tip for you, and I think it's really simple, but I don't think a lot of people know about it. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and tips and tricks for your kitchen, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check below for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so I know this happens a lot, especially with those of you who have children at home. You wake up in the morning sometimes to find food that's been left out, particularly chips. The bag's been left open and now you have some chips that, they're just not quite as crunchy, they're stale. I didn't want to waste a whole bag to show you how this works, so choke. I just left a few in here and I left these out overnight with the bag open. So all you need is a microwave safe bowl and a microwave. And we're going to toss these in the microwave on high for about 20 to 30 seconds. All right, then after the time's up, you just want to let them cool a little bit. They won't be crispy until they're cool. And I think one of the chips that this works best with is tortilla chips. I like to do this with tortilla chips. I know it works well. So what you can do though is after you take them out and they've cooled, you can test it and see is it, crunchy enough to your liking. If not, you can return it to the microwave for another 15, 20 seconds. And you just keep doing that until they're crunchy again. It's basically just taking out all the moisture. So, and then once they're done, you can, try them again, see if they're crunchy. Much better. So, I hope that helps somebody out there. Like I said, it's a really easy tip, but I don't think a lot of people know that you can do that. And again, it works perfectly with tortilla chips. So I hope you guys give this a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.